Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, the www. The Man That Set Himself on Fire. Also, we have a donation link in the description below. Alright guys, right to it. Hit that subscribe button and smash that bell notification. I'm not going to be before you long, as you can tell by the thumbnail. Here it is, how you can get you a Hero 5 Black for as cheap as $7. Now, full disclosure, before we get into the video, before you guys say this clickbait and all of that other good stuff, this is for people that have small YouTube channels or for people that do not have expendable money. So the first thing I want to lay out to you guys is the price. Right now, this is Gopro site, it's $299. If you don't have $300 up front, I want to show you guys an alternative way where you can pay it forward. So you come right here to this website called Fingerhut. Now me, myself, I have 6 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, count them. A dog and a bird. A mortgage, 3 cars. So I really don't have $300 to invest in my channel. Currently, I have 3 cameras. I have this Logitech. I have a Nikon D34 that I keep in my traveling bag right here. But when I set it up, it's stationary, so it's not something that I can go around and bring with me all the time. And I also have a Panasonic. I have a FZ300. I use that to shoot my B-roll shots and all of that 4K video and stuff like that. But again, that's stationary. And I have a couple budget action cams laying around here. But guys, if I want to really up the quality of the channel, I need to constantly add in equipment. And I think that this GoPro Hero 5 edition will be a great additive. It's about a year old, but it have a lot of good features, and it have that stabilization, and it can help me become more mobile when I'm doing my shots. But like I say, I don't have that money. If you come right here to Fingerhut, you can see that they have it for $399. That's almost $100 more than GoPro is offering it. But you see, $29 per month. So you don't have the money up front. You can go ahead and you can pay it forward. Now, I'm not affiliated with Fingerhut. I don't have an affiliate link or anything. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. But this is just a great way, guys, for you to pay it forward. And here's the best part about it. You don't have the money. You see right here, it says apply today, buy today. Almost 90% of you guys is going to hit the apply now. It's going to get at least $400 credit. No matter what your credit score is, almost 90% of you guys is going to get at least $400 credit today to shop to buy this camera. Now, by the time you add up all of your taxes and stuff, it's still not going to be enough. You go on your Google Fingerhut coupons, and whenever you sign up for a new account and you have a new account issued, you get this $25 coupon. You get that code, you go ahead, you check out, you paste that code when you're checking out, and you're going to have a remaining balance around $7. So guys, just want to make this quick video. If you're not into camera gears or whatever, you don't have a YouTube channel or whatever, hey, you still can go ahead and use that $400 and apply to something you might need in your house. Pay it forward, guys. Pay it forward. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. 6 kids, hit that donation button. Please hit that donation button. 2 of them in college. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.